YouTube. I am Stephanie Garcia, and I am the founder of Money Evolution. And today, I am going to talk about the struggles with my rental property. Okay, so back to my challenges about having a rental property. So there's usually a couple challenges that people could have. Some that I've noticed is, for one, probably not a good idea to rent to family because, you know, no matter what you say, you have a soft spot in your heart and you're going to give them a discount, even if you don't want to. That is the number one challenge that I have, because right now the market rents are higher than when I'm renting my house for, and so I'm not making that much of a profit. Now, it's not all about money, but it would be a good idea to make a little bit more profit, because I have recently done some updates to the property, and I had a credit card bill that I had to pay off because of those updates. And when I make that credit card payment, I'm not making any money on the property. So that's that. Another challenge that I have had is tenant turnover. So I decided to lease each individual bedroom and have a different tenant in there for each one. 2 of the rooms have family member, and then 1 of the rooms had a regular tenant. Now for me, I'm extremely busy because I go to work and I go to school and I run an eBay business, Amazon business, whatever, you know, everything. So with that being said, I really don't have time to screen tenants, and I really am not making enough money on the property to have a property manager. So therefore, one of my challenges is figuring out what I'm going to do going forward to make sure that rental property is profitable, because I do want to have some kind of profit, so that it's just, I mean, in the long run, it's a great investment, because when it's paid off, I paid like next to nothing for it, and so I'll have nothing but cash flow. The short run, it's not giving me any cash flow, and I really want it to. So what I plan to do with the rental is, I told both my cousin and my brother, because they are the ones who rent it, I told them that I'm not getting another roommate in there because I don't feel like screening anybody. So I'm going to raise their rent, but still give them a reasonable discount, so I don't feel like I'm being super mean. And then I'm going to have my eBay business rent out 1 of the rooms at a discounted rate, of course, because my eBay business is not doing as good as I wanted to. So one last challenge that I am having is managing the property. So managing the property is not a whole lot of work when you have good tenants and you have like processes in place, and or if you have a property manager. So I have this new handyman, let's call him, and he actually does really good work. He'll probably be my handyman forever, but having to meet up with him, go buy the stuff from the store, take it back, and, you know, get my approval on things, it's kind of a lot of work. It involves some of my attention, and like I said before, with my full schedule already, it just makes it a little challenging. So if you are looking to get into rental properties, take these things into account, because it is very hard to manage it all. Well, not hard, challenging is the word I like to say, because I do it, and there are many months throughout the year where it's very smooth sailing and easy cash flow property. So just keep those in mind. I highly recommend it. It's a great retirement plan to have rental properties. Just be prepared for those little things that may come up. And once again, to recap, those things are: renting to family is always a headache. 1, 2, leasing each room can also be a headache. And 3, maybe have some kind of process or system put into place for your upgrades and or maintenance so that it doesn't take up too much of your time. But anyways, I just wanted to give those that little tips of information. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you. Bye.